Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing this Euphoria inspired makeup. I had a picture of Maddie which I was inspired by, but I didn't have such small blings like this, so I didn't do it exactly the same, but it was clearly based on that. I love how Euphoria makeups are coming back because they're so cool. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Alright guys, so before we start, I already did my foundation. A little bit of a contouring, but not that much. I'm still gonna work on it a little bit. My eyebrows as well. These are very natural looking eyebrows, just like Maddie usually does. And now we can start doing the eyes because I'm very excited to try that. I'm gonna use the Dusty Rose from the Violet Voss Essentials palette. This one over here. We are creating a little bit of foundation with this lighter pink. So we just apply it all over the eye. And at the same time, I'm creating this wing shape with the eyeshadow already. While following the same shape with the wing shape, I decided to go for a darker salmon color to add a little bit more of a depth to the eye. And then we move on for the concealer because we're gonna start doing the cut crease, and this part can be very tricky, so we just have to be patient and calm, try to make it as neat as possible. I also use the concealer to fix the wing line a little bit to make the eyeshadows pop out more. Then came with this pinkish glittery eyeshadow and decided to use it kind of a highlighter, using it at the upper edge of her eye and at the center as well. I did the exact same thing on both eyes, and then I decided to move to this gel black eyeliner. We are doing a super subtle and simple eyeliner this time. I'm just following the same shape with the eyeshadow, and also at the wing, you just follow the same direction, just make it a small wing. I use this shimmery white eyeshadow from the same Violet Voss palette to add a little bit of a glitter and shimmer to the upper side of the eye again. And then we'll come with the fun part, which is adding the blings. It was very hard working, guys, I have to say. I started trying to use my fingers, but I had to actually add some eyelash glue to them so they would stick because they were starting to fall out. I kept trying to apply them with my fingers for a little while, and then I decided to actually use this kind of a tweezer that I used to apply my eyelashes because they had a firmer grip and I felt like I had more control over the blings. I don't know, I felt like I could be more precise to where I actually wanted to put them, and the glue wouldn't actually stick to the tweezers like they would to my fingers. Moving on for the lower part of the eye, I started using some silver blings instead of the pink, and I actually like them even more. The lower part was 10 times easier than the upper part. I don't know why, but it was super easy. I didn't even have to use the tweezers this time. I actually just used my fingers. And I kept following the same wing direction with the blings. I did the same thing to the other side, and I tried to make them look as similar as possible. And then it was time for some false eyelashes. I decided to cut mine in half so we can create more of this foxy look where the outer lashes of the eye look longer than the inner ones. And now we're just adding some blings to the side of our face so we create that euphoria look. I mixed a little bit of the pink and the silver blings. Then I went back to the contouring and decided to add a little bit more because I felt like it was too light, I think. I added a little bit to the cheeks, the nose, and the forehead. And I still felt pale, so I decided to add a super pink blush. This one is from NYX. I loved it, by the way. And then I just felt like, I don't know, I looked healthier, you know. Moving on to my favorite part, the lips. I'm using the Soar lip liner from MAC. I love it. It's literally the same shade as my lips. I'm just contouring my lips with it, and then I'm just gonna fill them in with the Kat Von D lipstick. And then I used this iconic London glossy liquid lipstick to add a little bit of a shine to the lips, and I also liked the orangey tones it has. I'm highlighting everything with my favorite Dior and MAC highlighters. I decided to actually add even more to the upper eye. I know it's insane how I added like 3 different types of highlighters there. But I don't know, I ended up loving the way it looked and I really wanted to make that part shine. And to wrap it all up, I used my favorite mascara from Benefit, the Bad Gal Bang. I love this mascara so much, and I just added it to my upper lashes and the lower lashes as well. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I really hope you loved it as much as I did. It was very time consuming, but I ended up loving the results. I think this looks so great, and I really hope Euphoria makeup looks come back now with season 2 because I really love them a lot, and I really hope you liked it as well. So if you still haven't, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video guys. Bye!